Hello everyone, it's Cactus here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do some of the previous sneak peeks for British Railway, so let's get right into the swing of things. So, it looks like here we have a Class 350 coupled to another Class 350, and I think it's a new location. I can't quite see or recognise it, but it looks to be a new location. It could be past Belmond Green, because it kind of looks that way, you know? Yeah, and it is the old London North Western Railway, I think, livery. So that'll be nice. There's one thing which Ollie, I think, has stated: the destination board is orange, but it is green in real life. But he said he's finished it, so shush. Yeah. So wrong thing. Right. So next we have not a proper preview really, but go follow our Twitter. It's the sounds of a 350, so we can listen to that. We'll just get it up and I'll be quiet. So there we had a Class 350 door sound, which was very nice. Yeah, it was very nice, because I know, even though they're not local, they're way further down south than where I live, they sound just like the Class 185s, because they're local to me. So I think that's very, very, very nice. But I can't remember the name of it, but you can hear the whir or the ticking, can't remember which one it is, it's one of the two, of the noises of the unit. So that's quite nice. Let's get on to the next one. So, it looks to be a new Pacer livery, which looks very, very nice. But also, the doors look different. It's more of like an old 80s door off a bus. And I know that sounds stupid because the Pacers are from a bus, aren't they? But yeah, it's just basically a little bus with a train chassis on it, so that's nice. But anyway, moving away from that, it's like I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. It's the two-tone orange, I think it is, with the lighter orange and the darker brown. I only just realised that. I can't zoom in on here, but I think that's a junction there. For where it is, I think it's a junction. I have really good eyesight, but I cannot see. I think it says junction. So we have a preview of Maxwell spinning around. I'm only kidding. Anyway, the one that was just uploaded today was a Class 350. I'm pretty sure it's in Silverlink livery. Silverlink. And it's heading off to Preston Junction. And by the looks of it, the destination board on the side is green, which is amazing. They've fixed the problem, like I said earlier. They've fixed the problem with the yellow. And I'm pretty sure this is Leeton, by the looks of it. So that is very, very, very nice. But anyway, that was the end of this times previews channel for British Railway. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in a couple more weeks or days, depending on how many sneak peeks are released, to see, you know. So I will see you guys later next weekend, if I remember. Oh no, yeah, next weekend. So see you guys later. Bye bye, everyone.
I've been thinking about it all.